G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm heading back to Dominos. Yeah, I know, I'm a sucker for punishment. I've been there the last couple of times, absolutely has turned me off them. But they've got a brand new super premium pizza range. So I'm going to go in and grab one of those. I'm going to get the BBQ Meats Deluxe. It's got all the good meats on it. So let's go and grab one of those and suss it out. Let's do it. All right, well, here we go. The BBQ Meats Deluxe Super Premium Pizza. It costs $18.20, so let's suss it out. Da, 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 da. Whoa, mama! Have a look at that, and I gotta say, it smells really nice. Gee, that looks like a lot of sauce. The last time I had that much sauce on one of their pizzas, I had a pretty bad experience, but let's hope that this is good. Now, the Super Premium BBQ Meats Deluxe Pizza has beef brisket, Peking duck, seasoned chicken, pepperoni, onion, a barbecue sauce base, and topped with hickory barbecue sauce and rocket. Now, that does sound like a lot of barbecue sauce, actually, on the bottom and on the top. Let's try some of the meats. Now, let's see if this one's the beef brisket. Yeah. I think it was. Struggling to tell what's what on this. Wonder what this thing is. That's a Peking duck. And it's really tender and really nice. Oh, yum. I can already tell I probably should have got the Peking duck one. Yeah, well, the meats on it actually taste really nice. Let's see. Tastes like chicken. Now, I didn't mention mozzarella, so I'm not expecting any stretchy cheese. Although, there was one, but the piece of beef brisket hit it. How about I put that beef back on and give it a go. Oh, yeah. All I seemed to taste then was barbecue sauce, because it's supposed to have it on the base and on top. That seems like a bit of an excess of barbecue sauce, doesn't it? The sauce is okay though, but it is quite strong and, well, it takes over the taste of all those delicious meats. Let's try this piece. Well, the meats on it are nice, but I'm just losing all the flavour because it's got so much sauce on it. This piece here has got like some extra looking tasty white stuff on it. Let's hope it's cheese. That had heaps of Peking duck on it, and wow. I'm really liking the flavour of that Peking duck. Like, compared to the brisket and everything, it really stands out in flavour, and it's so soft and so just dissolve in your mouth. It's really good, the Peking duck. The other meats on it, well, I sort of can't really taste them. Well, they're a little bit bland, to be honest. Well, anyway, there you go, a super premium pizza. I wonder what score I'm going to give it out of 10. $18.20. Well, it did have quite a lot of toppings on it. It wasn't like super packed. Well, actually it was. But the toppings on it, well, they're pretty nice. The duck's great. The brisket, well, that one's all right. And, well, I couldn't even taste the bacon. Or the pepperoni. I didn't even notice there was any on it. Oh, I found a piece here, but I didn't even notice the pepperoni was on it. I totally forgot because I couldn't taste it. And the flavour, well, there's a lot of stuff on here that is there, but I can't really taste because either the sauce is too strong or the sauce is too strong. The meat of my choice today was the Peking duck. Really nice flavour. Really tender, really yummy. The brisket, it's good. Well, that piece was. It is quite chewy though. It just seems to not be tender or anything, and just gets a little bit lost in the toppings here, and you sort of don't really notice that it's there. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the BBQ Meats Deluxe Super Premium Domino's Pizza, I'm giving it an 8.9 out of 10. Mate, the more I eat of this pizza, the more I'm enjoying it, even though it is quite saucy. After a while you get used to it and you can sort of taste all the flavours and toppings on it. It's really tasty and I'm really enjoying it, and I'll definitely smash this whole pizza in one sitting. It tastes so good. If I was going to get another one of these, I'd probably go something with that Peking duck on it. They do have a Peking duck one. Or, yeah, maybe the prawn one, or, well, there's one with the cheese sauce as well. Mate, there's quite a few to choose from, so listen, what's my recommendation? Jump on the Domino's website, suss it out. They're all about 18 bucks something. And, well, try one for yourself and see what you think of it. If you do, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I review a pizza. I'll see you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking.